Programming a key fob for your 2000-2001 Toyota Camry is a simple DIY task. First, enter your vehicle and ensure all doors are closed. Next, insert the key into the ignition and remove it 5 times in quick succession within 40 seconds without turning the ignition on. On the 6th insertion, leave the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 40 seconds, press the lock button on the key fob you wish to program. The doors should automatically lock and unlock to confirm. Repeat this process for any additional fobs up to a maximum of 4. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Remember, timing is crucial, so practice the key insertion and removal steps. A multimeter can help test the fob battery if issues arise. This reprograms the ECU to recognize the new fob signal on 314 MHz RF frequency. If it fails after a few tries, check your car battery and avoid signal interference. If you're having trouble programming your Camry key fob, consider these troubleshooting tips. One common issue is timing. The ignition cycles must be performed quickly and accurately. Environmental factors like electromagnetic interference from nearby power lines can also disrupt the process. A weak car battery can also affect the ignition cycles, preventing successful programming, so ensure your battery is healthy. If programming fails repeatedly, the key fob itself may be faulty or have a dead battery. Replace the battery and try again. If you've lost a fob, reprogram immediately to erase its code from the system to prevent unauthorized access. Many owners are now opting for universal aftermarket fobs, which are often cheaper, but ensure they are compatible with the 2000-2001 Camry and programmable via the standard method or OBD2 adapters. As a final note, with the age of these vehicles, Toyota no longer offers official support, making DIY or third-party services the primary options. Forums and online tutorials can provide additional guidance, but always prioritize vehicle security and follow instructions carefully.